Hey y'all, tired of digging holes by hand for bulbs? What if you could plant them in seconds with one tool? This ERYTLLY 3 by 12 inch bulb planter is a game changer. Let's get digging. Welcome to SmartBloom, folks, your go-to spot for the best gardening tools in 2025. I'm your favorite YouTuber, and today we're unboxing the ERYTLLY Bulb Planter. Hit that subscribe button to join our thriving SmartBloom crew. The ERYTLLY Bulb Planter is a 3 by 12 inch auger spiral tool that digs holes fast for bulbs, seedlings, tulips, and weeds. Made with a sturdy steel shaft, it fits a 3/8 inch hex drill and tackles tough roots. Perfect for rapid planting. Say goodbye to sore hands. Here's how to use it in 3 easy steps, y'all. Step 1, attach it to your 3/8 inch drill. Tighten it good. Step 2, drill into the soil on low speed for perfect holes. Step 3, lift out and plant your bulbs. Done in seconds. Gardening made simple. I used this planter in my Ohio garden to plant tulips, and it was a blast. The 12-inch depth got them perfect, and it chewed through roots like nothing. Pro tip, clean the auger after use to avoid rust. Some folks say it struggles with rocky soil, so try softer ground. Bonus tip, use it for umbrella holes too. Here's why I'm loving this planter, y'all. Pros, fast digging, sturdy steel, and great for bulbs and weeds, perfect for any gardener. Cons, struggles with rocky soil and needs a good drill. But wow, it made planting a joy. I'm hooked. Do you hate digging by hand? Tell me in the comments. This planter's perfect for gardeners in the USA, EU, or Canada who love bulbs or weed control. Great for flower beds, not ideal for rocky yards though. Ready to dig faster? Grab the ERYTLLY Bulb Planter on Amazon, link below, y'all. What's your favorite bulb to plant? Share in the comments, I'll reply to everyone. Love this review? Hit like and subscribe to SmartBloom for more gardening tips to keep your yard blooming.